Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we'll be going over the best way to solve quadratic equations. In our previous tips and tricks videos, we discussed every single way to solve quadratics and when to use each method. But there is also a way to never make a mistake when solving any type of quadratic equation. First of all, you will need to know every way to solve a quadratic, which was covered in our last two tips and tricks videos. If you haven't watched them already, they'll be linked in the description below, as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. After solving the quadratic, you must check your answer by plugging your solutions back into the original equation, checking to make sure that each solution makes the original equation equal to 0. This will help you catch any mistakes before turning in an assignment or test. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description for other helpful resources, and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.